Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we're actually being creative with some old Barbie dolls that I have had for quite some time, and I'm actually trying to figure out what to do with them. They're still new in box, so my question is, do I unbox them or not? Do I sell them, keep them? I don't know what to do with them, because honestly, they're taking up a lot of room and I need to make some more room. So the first one I'm going to show you is pretty old, over 40 years old. She's still in her box. Here she is, trying to keep the glare from showing, but her name is Crystal. And the box is, it's in fairly good condition. It's definitely not pristine, perfect condition. I have had her since 1983. My mom gave her to me. My sisters each got one the same year for Christmas. And she's moved around a lot. We were living in Utah at the time. She's moved to Tennessee, Alabama, North Carolina, Arkansas, Indiana, Louisiana, Kentucky, back to Louisiana. She has been around. All right, let's see if we can look in here without all the glare. I actually have two windows over there, and I get a lot of glare, as you can see in my glasses. And anyway, so she has a necklace. She has earrings. They're like little crystals. Her name's Crystal, so... And her dress actually looks kind of crystally. Trying to see in there. Her dress has yellowed through the years, even in this box. If I remember correctly, it was white. I'll actually try to find a picture of her and put it somewhere now. But she also has this little medallion thing right here. She's really pretty. She shines with glamour. Okay, here we go. If I can't find a picture, this will probably do. See how white that is? Ken looks dashing. But it says, they shine with glamour from head to toe. Oh, here we go. So we have a shiny Barbie necklace just for you. So that's what that thing is on the side is. It's actually a necklace that you can wear. And then here it says, shimmery change around stole. Okay, so this right here is like a little boa type thing. See this? So you can take that off. I thought it was part of the dress, but it's actually a boa. What else? Shimmery change around stole. Oh, sparkly shoes. So we have some sparkly shoes there. But anyway, this is Barbie number 1 I'm going to show you. Let's go to Barbie number 2. So Barbie number 2 is off to the Olympics. This is the Atlanta 1996 Olympics. She's a gymnast. I remember taking gymnastics in high school. I loved it. It was so much fun. But it's an official licensed product of the Atlanta Committee for the Olympic Games. Magical tumbler ring for somersaults, cartwheels, and more. That's what this little thing is. I guess it goes around her waist and she can flip around it all. She comes with a bag. And let's see, what else? Oh, that looks like a gold medal there. She's got pierced ears. What else does she have in there? Oh, there's a white brush down in there. Look at her shoes. So it says, competing in the Olympic Games has been a lifelong dream for Barbie. Now, with you at her side, she is sure to bring home the gold. Here's how you attach that thing around her waist. Attach ring for tumbling magic. Make her do cartwheels, somersaults, and tumble like a champion. And this came out This was for the 96 Olympics, but it came out in 1995. So there we go. Okay, so that was Barbie number 2. Now for Barbie number 3. So Barbie number 3, I was really surprised to have found. I was at KB Toys, which I don't even know if they exist anymore, but wandering around, and they had some marked down stuff, and I came across a Barbie from my alma mater, BYU. We were living in North Carolina at the time, so that's why I was really shocked to see her. Nowhere near Utah. Now this is probably one I'll keep, at least for a little while. Let's take a closer look. She has a little white brush right down there. Long blonde hair, pom-poms, and she's in a cheerleading outfit. Really not, you know, huge items that come with her, which is fine. I mean, she was marked down from $19.99 to $5.99. And I think that's all she's got there. What does it say? Give me a B, give me an A, give me an R. Give me a B, give me an I, give me an E. And what does it spell? Barbie. What's it spell? Barbie. Little cheerleader here. It says, University Barbie just wants to say hello to you in every way. With sparkle and style and cheers and fun. We're the school that's #1. Officially licensed collegiate product. So it is licensed. Bend and movable body. Anyway, I'm keeping her. And I'm going to keep her in the box. At least for now. Now, I don't know if I mentioned or not, but BYU Barbie was 1996. This next one is 1997. Barbie Riding Club. Horse riding Barbie. Isn't that cool? I love the way it's boxed. She's got a little riding outfit on. Let's see. I don't see. She's got a pink comb. It's hard to see. Or brush. It's back there behind the horse. It says, with my posable body, I can really ride my horse. So you could buy her a horse and she can ride on it. Oh, and I guess there are actually horses that you can collect. There's Baby Pony, Sassy Pony, and Sweetie Pony. It says collect them all here. Look for Stacy, Dolls 3, Little Barbie Riding Club, Ponies 2. So I guess there's a whole a collection of these. You got the dolls, you got the little dolls, the big dolls, and the horses. So I have a couple of questions for y'all. Except for the BYU doll, should I unbox these and look at them? After that, I really don't know what I would do with them. Should I leave them in their boxes and try to sell them? Not for sure how much they're really worth. Probably not much at all. And then my third question is, I actually have some more Barbies. I've got some holiday Barbies and some ballerina Barbies and a couple other Barbies. Did you like this video? Should I do more videos on those Barbies? Let me know down in the comment section below the answers to all those questions. Should I unbox them? Should I do more videos? And thanks for joining me. Oh, and which one's your favorite? That's question number 4. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.